In this video, I'm going to show you how to use checkbox with conditional formatting. So I have an Excel sheet here, and in column B, I have a list of products, and these are named laptops, desktop, and tablet. So there are only 3 products listed here, and I want to use a checkbox with conditional formatting to highlight all the laptops and desktops and tablet with different colors. And I'm going to create 3 checkboxes to link to each one of these. This is because in the column B, I only have 3 products. So in column F, I'm going to create 3 checkboxes. And to get the checkbox, I need the developer tab, and it's not listed here. So in order to enable it, I just have to right click one of the tabs, click on customize the ribbon, and on the right side, click on developer. Click OK. So I'm going to place 3 checkboxes here in the F column. So on the developer tab, I'll click on the drop down arrow under insert, select the checkbox, and just click on the cell here, and I'll move this checkbox here. Now I'm going to name this laptop because it's going to be 3 checkboxes, and each checkbox is labeled as one of the product. One is going to be labeled laptop, the other desktop, and the other is tablet. So I'm going to label this one laptop. So to make a copy, I'll just hold the control key and drag it with the mouse here. And another one here. I'm going to rename this one desktop. And the third one I'm going to label as tablet. So the laptop checkbox, I am going to link with column G, and I'm going to link with G2, and the desktop will be linked with G3, and the tablet, I'll link it with G4. So all I have to do is just right click the first one, laptop, click on format control. So in the cell link, I want to link the first one here, so I'll just place my mouse in cell link, click on the cell, and it's here. I'll select 3D shading. Now I'm going to put a color on this, so I'll click on colors and lines. I just have to right click one of the tabs, and I'm going to select yellow, the ribbon, click OK. On the right so on the desktop checkbox, click on developer. I'm going to link it, click OK. G3. So to do that, I hold the control key, and with the mouse right click, click on format control. I'm going to select this 3D shading, click on the cell link and highlight the G3 cell, and under colors and lines I'm going to choose green, click OK. So I'm going to link the tablet checkbox with G4. So I'm holding the control key on the keyboard down, right click with the mouse, format control, click on control, click on the cell link and choose G4. I'm going to choose a color. I am going to choose turquoise, click OK. That's it. So now these 3 checkboxes are all linked to these 3 cells. So if I click on the laptop checkbox, this is what happens. I'll click on the desktop, it's true. So I'll click on the tablet. So these are the 3 formulas that I am going to be using in conditional formatting with the checkbox. So the first formula is for the laptop checkbox. So I'm going to copy this formula, Control C. I'm going to hit escape on the keyboard. So I highlight the cells that I'm going to apply the conditional formatting to. Click on the Home tab, select Conditional Formatting, select New Rule, and select use a formula to determine which cells to format. I want to paste the formula here, so that's Control V. Now I'm going to click format because I want to use a color, and the color is yellow. Click OK. So now for the desktop, I'm just going to highlight this, Control C, copy, hit escape, click on conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format, Control V, click on format, select the color, click OK, click OK. And now when I select desktop, so now for the tablet, so I'm going to highlight this, Control C, hit the escape on the keyboard, highlight all the columns, click on conditional formatting, new rule. I'm going to paste it here, Control V, click on format, so I choose the same color, turquoise, click OK, click OK. I'm going to click OK here, and now when I select tablet, all the tablets are highlighted in the Excel sheet. I'll click on desktop, all the desktop are highlighted. So when I click on laptop, as you can see, it's highlighted. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.